Okay, if you're ever as lucky as I am and have to do a roof leak patch in the middle of the night, here's a quick tip I've learned just a moment ago from my friend who's a general contractor. Um, so, what I've got here is Henry, and this is like your rubberized wet patch. So, this is just for repairs. Um, Normally, I wait till the day, but we're supposed to expect a lot of rain tonight, and we already have water leaking into our ceiling. So I took a quick moment when it dried, and I came out here and I located the leak. I think anyway. I basically went inside the house, took a measurement tape, measured the ceiling little water bubble, and then referenced it to an exterior wall, and then came back out and I found these three vent pipes. So I started patching down here at the bottom because I had a bunch of little nail heads sticking out. Um, and so obviously just smear all of this stuff all over the nail head. So like right here, do that. Not really rocket science, and really for a DIY repair to hold up until you get a roofer to actually look at this stuff, I think that's sufficient. So yeah, just smear a bunch of this stuff in there. And then what else I learned is this little joint. So you see this little wrap around the pipe. So I've done two of these already. So you kind of see it right there. And what it is I've learned from my contractor friend that usually water catches on here and then it just kind of drips down. And if this little mat here gets dried up over time, then usually it has a little hole around the edges, and then that's where the water leaks in. So yeah, those are the two quick tips on how to patch. And then one thing I've experienced just now is that came in really handy. Get a small piece of plywood and put this down and do that. This was a lot more convenient and didn't have to worry about it falling off the roof. All right, good luck, man.